What's bragging? No, but so today, it's not my channel, but
Go ahead.
I'll be taking more of like a little present role. My boy Tristan here's gonna do some manual labor for once, and I'm gonna do talking as often.
Yeah, alright, so I got this like older denim jacket and it's I don't know, I'm not very attached to it, and I've been looking for a denim vest but I can't find any or like any reasonable ones. So I'm just gonna be cutting the sleeves off this, do a little DIY, and while I'm snipping he's gonna be talking, so
Sweet.
that's
So
about it.
it should be a really quick video with your awesome cutting, literally and figuratively cuts. One thing I want to talk about is kind of like the mainstreaming of hip hop. One thing we do talk about a lot is our is fashion and that of like fashion communities and all that jazz. But with that comes the influence of music, right? And we've been seeing a lot of like hip hop. You know what I'm talking about. Hip hop being like more upfront than it used to be, more than ever. And one like funny quote I always think about is, you know, when Kanye was like doing that like rant. I think it was with Zane Lowe on like Beats interview BBC or something.
Oh, I thought you were talking about there's a train passing.
Oh no, that was funny though. He's like, hold up, get out
Yo,
Chicago.
Nick Cannon.
Drake, nah man, but nonetheless, in that he was talking, he's like, I am a god. Would it be better if I said, I'm black or I'm a insert bleep here? Don't do that when we do the video. But he was saying that we're the new rock stars, and I'm the biggest one of all of them. And everyone's like, oh, here we go, having this, you know,
I mean, as far as like
narcissistic, blah blah blah.
as far as rock stars go, like popularity wise, yeah, definitely the rappers are the new rock stars. Like,
Oh, without doubt.
you know, like back in the day, you had Steven Tyler and stuff like that. Definitely, like
Killing the charts.
there aren't any modern day rock stars who are anywhere near as big as
No, the only one I can think
rappers.
of is not. Before I even say his name, it's because he also acts, and it's Jared Leto.
Oh, but
Even then.
is that actually rock though? It's kind of more towards like pop, I would
Oh,
say.
either way, there's no. That's what I'm saying. That's like me trying to be generous. You
Yeah,
know what
because
I
I mean, pop people have
He
always.
also has a collaboration with Kanye West. Check that song out. It's called Hurricane 2.0. It's a really good song.
But yeah, pop has always been big. So
Yeah, and always will be big.
if you want to make the distinction between rock stars and stuff like that, then I'd say. But,
Yeah.
But yeah.
But 30 Seconds to Mars was supposed to be like a rock band, you know. That's what I'm sure they would label themselves as. And one thing I want to go with that is we'll see now. Like if you go to the billboards, right? What has been charting for the last 28 weeks? Drake. You know what I mean? And then
So good.
yeah,
Even Drake's more like moving towards pop too.
Oh, without a doubt.
Actually, I didn't really check out his last album.
As you shouldn't. It's like 44 hours of what? 28 songs. That is so long.
Wait, is that Scorpion? Or is there something
Yeah.
new with?
No,
that?
Scorpion.
Oh, alright.
I didn't check it out. I was gone for like 6 weeks this summer. Came back and I totally missed that wave, and I'm so glad I missed it. But even with that, it's interesting to see that. Ooh, first sleeve done.
Yeah. Alright, you can rock this now.
I think. Oh, I bet you if I were to put this on, post on Streetwear Reddit, say my first custom and modified clothing, everyone would be like, wow, it looks so great.
Dude, I forgot what it is. Oh no.
DIY
No,
clothing.
on Game of Thrones, I always rock the sleeves where it's like.
It's
two
like the-
yeah.
The shooter sleeves.
But they have 2 of them, and then they'll connect with like some leather straps.
Oh shit. Yeah. I've seen it before.
You look good.
I'm surprised that fit me so well. Were you also surprised?
The stuff's cuffed.
Yeah.
so.
As you may know, both Tris and I are well over 6 feet.
Yeah. But
He's 6'7" and I'm 6 foot flat. So yeah, I'm surprised this fit me. That's also not true. Men lie. But with that, you'll see, like, even right now, I think, again, we're shooting this September 26th.
from the future.
From the future. I think right now it's charting as of last night was that one Maroon 5 song.
Oh yeah, Adam Levine's also big, but
He's pop.
popular.
Yeah, but like I'm sure he would say he's in a rock band, not a pop band, right? But again, that's all labels and stuff.
Dude, a big rock star would be like Travis Barker, but
Yeah, but with that, he hasn't had any big collaborations other than like a big Commensal song that
yeah,
no
he's
one
just
even
kind of big for
bothered
like
to
his old
check.
stuff, but still,
Yeah, he had a song with XXX actually.
the club.
RIP.
That song wasn't that great.
I don't even remember it, which is saying a lot because I'm a big fan of both.
I think it was Pain
I don't remember. I remember those days back. It was like Travis Barker and Lil Wayne. They'd like do a random song on like some awards show, and I'm like, what? Good old middle school.
Yeah.
By the way,
Actually, I think I watched an interview with Travis Barker where he talked about how like exactly what you were saying. The rappers are like the new rock stars. I think he was talking about that, how like rock is more like
it's a
pop
supplementary.
people now.
Yeah.
Whereas like
Yeah.
that old rock mentality is the new like rapper stuff.
Exactly.
Especially like the underground where it's kind of like unrefined and stuff.
And I think with that, which is kind of funny, because as of yesterday, so I read an article. Guns N' Roses lead guitarist Slash, who everyone knows, he himself spoke about this topic, and I didn't even think about it until right now. He spoke about it saying, rock is not mainstream anymore, and I kind of like it. And that's the headline, a stupid clickbaity, headline. But in the end of the day, it's true. That sense of people like to listen to music they can relate to, right? And that sense of relativity is going more towards like what hip hop is, right?
Well, it's also a big like what age demographic you fall into.
Yeah, that's true. But even then, we have older people listening to hip hop, being that like, if you're 30 right now, or in the mid 30s right now, you grew up.
Eminem.
You grew up with like hip hop's golden era, right? And if you're in the 40s, what people call like middle age or whatever, you grew up with like the creation of hip hop, with like Run DMC back in the I'm not gonna wear both. But that's that on that. Let's check it out. That's probably a decent cut.
Yeah. Also, like with this and the flannel that I cut off, I feel like after you wash it some, or after just like a while, the sills will start to fray, which will make it look a lot better instead of just like some uneven.
Another way to get the fraying automatically is with a razor.
I was thinking like sandpaper, but yeah, a razor would be good. That's a lot of people distress using sandpaper.
I do both. Wow, look at the layering. God damn.
Exactly.
Ogres are like onions. They have layers. And what do we think?
Yeah. So there it is.
Trash.
I haven't checked it out myself.
Facts, fire, or trash? What's that?
I think
shit
this
that
was
DJ?
like $20 though. So.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I didn't really mind cutting it up.
Damn, dude. I'm still too attached to half my shit. Cut it.
Alright, did you want to talk about anything else?
No, that's the
wrap
gist of it. That's the gist of it. You'll see more hip hop. It's going nowhere. And this jean jacket with the sleeves cut. Name the artist. I think it's Jadakiss or somebody else.
I don't even know.
Mercy.
But alright, that's it. Send them off.
Support your troops.
You always remember it.